Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a little sweat-proof makeup tutorial, how to make your makeup stay up when it's really hot. For example, like right now. So I already did my eyes and my eyebrows. We're just gonna get right onto the face. So starting off, I'm gonna be using the Mega Glow multi-use oil. It's from Wet n Wild. Now you guys, if you guys have really oily skin, I would recommend you guys to skip this part. I have a combination skin, so I can get away with this. I just feel like this makes my makeup look a little bit better throughout the day. I thought it was perfect for me to do this video right now because I'm on my way to work. So I'm gonna be showing you guys throughout the day how my makeup is looking with no touches at all. So after I'm done putting my oil, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with the coconut water from Wet n Wild as well. And I'm gonna let that soak in my face. I'm gonna wash my beauty blender. I left it washing while I was doing my makeup, so it should be ready to use. We're gonna be using foundation, which I'm using the Wet n Wild foundation, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and this is in the shade Golden Beige. I'm just gonna be putting the foundation. I feel like the important steps to keep your makeup in place when it's summertime or when it's just really hot, you're gonna be out for a long time and you want your makeup to stay in place, is definitely to prime your face. If you don't prime your face, your foundation is pretty much gonna be out by the time you get home, or like in 2 hours. So the most important thing right here in this makeup look is to definitely prime your face. And I'm so sorry you guys, I did not show, but moisturize your face always. Even if you have oily skin, try to use a lotion that doesn't have that much I don't know what they put in there that doesn't make your face oily. Moisturize. I'm just gonna be getting close to the camera to really blend out my foundation, and now I'm just gonna blend it out on my forehead. I need a mirror. Okay, so that is how, I don't know what I was gonna say. So next part, you're gonna be needing concealer. I'm gonna be using the Fit Me concealer in the shade Light, and I'm just gonna put that on my dark circles. Usually during the hot weather time, I don't use that much makeup on my face because I don't want to feel like I have a cakey face. It's another important step too while you have doing your makeup. Don't put tons of makeup because it is very hot outside and it's gonna look really cakey. So you just want to use a little bit. If you have a BB cream, I feel like that it will be way better, unless you like full coverage foundations. I don't really care about the coverage. I just like the foundation to be good. So now I'm just gonna blend out my forehead. Now, during the heat, you guys want to use more cream products than powder products on your face. So instead of contouring like I would do with powder, I'm gonna be using the cream stick contour from Wet n Wild, and just contour like I will usually do, but with cream. Okay, I'm not gonna put anything on my forehead because I have baby hairs all over the place. So now I'm just gonna blend out. And blend out my nose. I'll be using this little small brush, and I'm just gonna blend it out. I could never skip my nose. I don't care how late I am. For now, I don't know if you guys notice that I'm talking a little bit fast. It's because, per usual, I am running late. So, I have to hurry my ass. Okay, so after that, we're going to go set the face. Now, this part is another important step on your makeup routine. If you guys have oily skin, I will recommend to, yes, set your face. If you guys have dry to normal skin, just set the bottom of your concealer, where you put your concealer, because if you don't set concealer, the concealer will crease. So you just want to put a little bit under your eyes, and I usually just put a little bit on my chin and a little bit on my forehead, because that's where I get really oily at. Instead of letting it set like I usually do, I'm just going to take it and move it all around my face. That little powder, just move it all around my face. I'm gonna grab a little bit more. I feel like I haven't put enough. This is how much I'm using, literally. You want to make sure you did set your face though, because if you don't, the foundation is going to crease. But at the same time, you don't want to use that much powder, so your face won't look cakey. Since I already cream contour, I'm gonna be using a little bit of bronzer to put on top. Not as much, no, nothing crazy. And I'm gonna be grabbing this brush right here and just go on top of it a little bit, just to kind of define a little bit more. I really do like my contour to be sharp and noticeable, so you can definitely skip this part. I feel like with the cream contour you guys will be okay, but since I really like a very dramatic, noticeable contour, I'm gonna go ahead and do the powder one. Sorry guys, I think I'm getting sick. Now I'm gonna be going with blush. Now this things that I'm about to do right now, they don't really affect your makeup. So yeah. Now I'm gonna be using this blush right here. This is one of my favorites right now. It's matte. It's a matte blush, and I think it's really nice. Super pigmented, so I really gotta be careful with it. And now we're going to cut my contour. So I'm just going to, this is the only part where I bake a little bit, just because I really want to get that line to be really straight. You guys, so while we let that bake, I'm going to do my lips. And I finally bought a new lip liner. The other one was like super small. So I'm just gonna take off the foundation on my lips and moisturize them with some chapstick. And now I'm gonna go with the lip liner from Morphe in the shade Bite Me. I'm just gonna overline my lips. Now that I overline my lips, I'm gonna be using the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Taunt. And I'm just gonna put that in the center where I left space. And that's it. Okay, so now I'm going to be removing the powder that I put under my contour. And now, this is another important part. Always set your face after you're done with the makeup. Look, there are very affordable setting sprays in the drugstore. For example, the Wet n Wild one, my favorite one, which is the coconut water. This one was $3.99. And I'm just gonna spray it all over my face. I'm gonna show you guys a little close up. Let me just grab a sponge and kind of press that spray all over me. Now before I show you guys the finished look, I'm going to be using the Master Chrome highlighter, and I'm going to highlight my face because I need some glow. So this is how the close-up of my makeup looks. As you guys can see, it looks really set. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys small clips. Hair on my mouth. I will show you guys small clips throughout the day at work, so I can show you guys how my face looks. I do work in like literally 30 minutes, so I think it will be perfect to show you guys how my face will look throughout the day. So that is literally it for this video. I hope you guys like it, and if you guys want to see more of my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.